everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everybody's having a great day. It's pretty hot here in BC. It's about 30 Celsius or close to 90 degrees. And hope everybody's staying safe. Masks are being worn. The border is still closed. There's been some outbreaks because people were having parties and, you know, not being responsible basically. So we'll see how that goes. But for today, I have a unboxing. Comes in a box like that. And it's from Pandora. So if you're new to my channel, welcome in. Like, subscribe, share, and comment is always appreciated. And if you're returning, thanks so much for coming back. And make sure you hit the bell so you're notified every time I upload videos. And it's at least once, but normally it's a couple times a week. All right, so let's go ahead and get started and unbox this box here from Pandora. And like I said before, for some reason when Pandora drops off your box, they just like throw it on the porch. And they don't, you don't need a signature or anything like that, and they don't knock or anything. So it was funny because Ted was outside and he goes, "Oh, here's another parcel on the porch. Did you hear anything?" I said, "No, didn't hear anything." "Oh, it must be from Pandora." So yeah, it was. All right, so let's go ahead and open it up here. Alright, let's see what I got. Alright, that's a little easier box. Okay, we're in. It says Pandora on there. Alrighty. There's my receipt. One charm, one universe of stories. Alright, so this is the 20th anniversary of Pandora jewelry. So they give you a kind of a cool 20th anniversary card with the information about the charm that I purchased. So that's pretty cool. They come in little boxes like that. It says Pandora on it. And then it comes with either pink or white tissue paper. So that's pretty cool. Alright, so let's go ahead and see what I got here. Okay, this is the 20th anniversary charm. Every month they're going to come out with a new charm. So if you miss some of the ones, I guess, you know, they're limited edition, so they're not coming back. But you may be able to find them other places, so I wouldn't worry too much about it if you're collecting them. I'm not really collecting them. I just saw this one. It was a pig, and it reminded me of my mom, and so I asked Ted if I could buy it, and he said yeah. So anyway, so that was nice. Alright, let's see what this looks like. It's pretty little, but it's pretty cute. Yeah, it's got like a little pig face. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. And it's silver. Alright, so we'll add that to the fun there. And let's see what else here. And I got this one is a heart. And it says hope on it. So I thought that was appropriate for the pandemic. And that's in silver. All right. So coming up this week, I'm going to be doing the luxury name tag by Mel in Melbourne. And so I'm going to be doing that. So look forward to that. If you have any questions or you want to request any videos or anything like that, please do leave your comments below. I read every single one and respond to everyone that comments, so please do that. It's always appreciated. And like I said, please subscribe, and it's when I hit 500 I'm gonna have another giveaway, so look forward to that. And until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Have a great week, guys. Bye-bye.